what's Kill Gaming and welcome to a very windy day in the UK. Hey, welcome to our vlog. I've not done one in a very long time, so yeah. Oh, hello. I'm also joined by Jack. So I'll link in the description to Jack's gaming and vlogging channel, so you can go to him and maybe subscribe. That'll be really nice.
And also my website. You can do that as well.
Yeah, I'll also I'll leave a link to the website and also to mine. So
Yeah, and you know.
I'm going to have.
You know my website name.
Yes,
so
I'm going to have a very big description today. And I'm also going to have a way of
and
how you go.
and your main channel and your website.
Yeah. Plus, I'm also going to make it like how. I'm also going to have the text like I always do now. How to go to the website, because it's not like a hyperlink. You just click in it and you're there. That's a really annoying thing. They should do that, but oh well.
You know what all I need to do is just type in the name in the description and it becomes a link automatically.
You're installed. In fact, it doesn't. You have to click on it and then click go to.
Not for me.
Or
Because I use my phone.
So
my
do
phone
I.
to record and
Say do I.
It's
So
like
yeah.
you can-
What should we do in this vlog then today, Jack?
Well, you can talk about that. I'm just gonna.
Okay. Right. So. Bye. So, let's start. So basically, sorry I haven't been doing anything lately. I've been busy on my Xbox. That's one of the reasons why I'm busy. So yeah. Whoa! You gave me a fright! You gave me a big fright! No!
Kidnap you.
You were pretending to kidnap me. That's not very nice. Thanks for watching this vlog. I'm not very happy when Jack done that. This was just a short one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, no, Ken. Thanks. See you next vlog shortly. Finally.